question we get lots is, how long do they last? Many implants have been FDA approved, and there's gobs and gobs of articles, and I encourage you to go out and do your own research even on implants versus minis versus traditional, but they have been FDA approved to replace any and all teeth and be used in any way a traditional implant would be used. They can easily last your lifetime. That is also dependent, of course, on you taking care of them, water picking, keeping them clean, and your overall hygiene plays a significant role in that. But if you're a moderate dental hygienist at home and in your life, they can definitely last your lifetime. I placed, as I I placed 4 on my own mom probably 18 years ago, and she had them her entire life before she passed away a couple years ago.